Thutha wa wetereri munene kuri andu a nyumba na arata Caroline Mwatha uria urari muteteri wa ihoto cia umundu makienda kumenya kiria kiramuragire, riu maumirira maya ni marikitie kurekererio. Kuringana na mutaaramu wa guthinja mieri Ndagitari Ndegwa, Mwatha akuire kuumana na kuura thakame makiria igeria-ini riake ria kuruta nda ya mieri itano.
Caroline lost a lot of blood internally and externally. She was about 5 to 6 months pregnant with the male fetus. The cause of death to the late Caroline is bleeding or hemorrhage or exsanguination due to a ruptured uterus, and this is from some surgical interference.
Ndegwa ni augite mwana ucio ageretie kurutwo na njira ya kumutinangia icunji ario nda-ini ya nyina.
Somebody somewhere somehow attempted to either dismember the fetus and then remove some parts, because the upper lip, the whole of it is not there. Some parts of the bones of the skull are not there, and there is quite a lot of blood there, and she's very pale.
No na gukiri uguo, Ndegwa ni eheretie nganja iria irakoretwo ho ati Mwatha akuire na njira ya kuragwo, akiuga kirema kiria arari nakio kiero-ini kirari gia kumugandia ari nyumba-ini ya kuiga mieri.
I have never saw any wound. I need to first, it's only a surgical incision which was done at the State Mortuary for embalming. No other injury I have seen. Or rather we have seen, we were so many of us, so it's not only me. And the body of Caroline has told us what happened.
We need to wait for the full investigations. We need to know if Carol did this on her own, if it was done when she's unconscious. Those are all details that we have to wait for the investigations to conclude.
Uthuthuria uyu utafaneirio nyumba-ini ya kuiga mieri ya Umash thutha wa mwiri uyu guthamio kuma nyumba-ini ya kuiga mieri ya City Mortuary kuumana na mugomo uria ukoretwo ugithie na mbere wa aruti wira a Nairobi. Riu mwiri wake ni uthamirio kuma nyumba-ini ya kuiga mieri ya Umash nginyagia nyumba ya kuiga mieri ya Kenyatta University. Kwa ihinda riri andu atandatu ni mahingiritwo rumande magikuruhanio na gikuo kia Mwatha. Ngiribotera Kameme TV, ritwa riakwa ni Maina wa Mwangi.